Finally, Ruby mining are preparing for global KYC 1.6. Hello guys, let's walk and check how we are going to verify our KYC on Bloom currently based on the update they posted, right? Announcement: preparing for global KYC 1.6. The Ruby project team sent this announcement to Ruby miner community. This is an announcement about the implementation of KYC 1.6 with some notes about the current KYC 1.5. Currently, KYC problems. Hello friend, if you remind about KYC 2.0, unfortunately, until now, we have not been able to announce anything about the implementation schedule of KYC.2, right? 2.0. With the global authenticator mechanism, the main reason is that KYC 2.0 charges fees based on MNA, right? Because the mana a token is not ready, KYC 2.0 cannot be implemented, right? But another issue is that in the past few weeks, Ruby KYC suddenly became a top 20 application in many rankings, so KYC requests increased dramatically. Our KYC team of 14 people is always overloaded, right? But there are still tens of thousands of unresolved KYC accounts. In this situation, increasing productivity is a must, while KYC 2.0 cannot be deployed yet. So we need to find solution. We have discussed solution for this situation, and the result is that we will upgrade KYC performance with an update that we call KYC 1.6. In this upgrade, there will be a number of improvements focused on increasing the efficiency of the number of verification staff, thereby handling a large number of KYC requests. KYC 1.6 plan schedule. We will start building the KYC solution from March 25 as a priority, right? Target. The construction process is expected to take 60 to 90 days, with the global of releasing a global KYC solution. Here is the expected schedule, right? So, they announced these things, right? Step 1, discuss KYC 1.6 implementation rules. Step 2, conduct construction from 25 March to 25 July, right? Which I think they have done that. Step 3, announced and guide on requirements of validation, right? Step 4, KYC process training via Zoom, right? Google Meet. Step 5, which is the last one, KYC 1.5 release by the end of June, which is this month. So guys, let's watch out. Key points on KYC level 1.6, right? Continue to use RBL as a service fee with a KYC fee sharing mechanism. A large number of KYC staffs are recruited. So currently they are on upgrades, right? Let's wait and see what is going to happen. If there's any update, trust me, I'm going to be posting it in this channel. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share. I'll see you guys in the next update. God bless you.